Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace the latch on your trunk. So there's two parts to the latch. We have the top and the bottom. We'll start by removing the 3 screws from the top of the latch. We can go ahead and discard the screws and that top latch part. On the bottom we have 2 visible screws, and then we have 1 screw that's hiding underneath that latch. Okay, so now with the latch completely removed, we're going to install the top part of the latch first. It's important that you go in the right order here and do the top first and then the bottom. Go ahead and tighten that first screw about halfway. Tighten these a little bit more, but not completely tight. So we want there to be a little bit of room there. And then we're going to put the bottom one on. Once again, just about halfway tighten there. Make sure you're going into the original screw holes. Go about halfway there. And then we'll get this hidden one. We can go ahead and completely tighten that last screw. Come back. Tighten these 2. And then swing this loop up. Hook it, make sure that there's good tension there. As long as the tension's good, go ahead and tighten these. If the tension is a little bit loose, then you'll want to pull this piece up a little bit more before you tighten it down. There we go, your latch is done.